What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making an internet money type of beat. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, we got a melody picked out for this one. Definitely sounds like an internet money type of melody, and we're going to focus on the drums and the drum bounce because that's what's really important in their beats. So this is what it sounds like right now. Alright, so let's start jumping on that right away. Okay, so the thing about the internet money drum bounce is that they keep it really simple, but they use really good, so they're really good at sound selection. They make sure everything sounds good together, and they keep it simple, but not so simple. You know what I mean? They definitely keep enough room for the artist, but they also throw little things in here or there to spice it up and make it unique. So let's start building this out. We're going to start with a clap. Next, we're going to throw in a snare just to kind of play on some of the notes where the clap isn't playing, just to give it a little more bounce. Nothing too crazy. Cool, let's get a little open hi-hat in here now. And guys, a little hack to get the same drum sounds as them is to use their kits, right? Use some Nick Mirror kits. Use Cody kits. We might put one more open hi-hat in here as well to kind of go more steady. This one's just going to play on the first of every 4 bars. I'm going to go to a Cody pack for this next one though. So super basic drums so far. As you can probably agree, we haven't really done anything crazy. Like I said, a lot of this is going to be just sound selection, so using really good sounds that you don't need to do anything extra with because they already sound good, and putting everything together in a neat fashion. So let's go ahead and get a hi-hat in here, and we're probably just going to use a 2-step. We might do like a roll somewhere, but let's see what sounds good. I'll put like a roll right here, but nothing too crazy. We want to keep it light. So let's actually have the velocities start out really low, and then they progressively get a little bit higher. Let's see how that sounds. Alright, so now for everybody's favorite part, the 808. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take this, which is the full melody right here, instead of the individual pieces like we have. I'm just going to drag this out here and have Ableton guess what notes it's playing. And we'll use that to hack the 808. Yeah, as you can see, it gave us all these bottom notes really neatly too. So Ableton did a really good job this time. Let's throw a kick with this as well. Let's go ahead and throw a double on this one as well. Okay, and if you guys are wondering why the track's about to sound super loud, if you guys don't know this already, I like to use return buses. So here's a little tip for you guys to throw in here. What you can do is you can right click and say insert return track. And what I've done here is I made one for my kick and 808. And on the kick and 808, I'll typically use something like, sometimes I use a clipper, sometimes I'll use a distortion, sometimes I'll use like a bit crushing effect. So this time I have a bit crusher one that I'm using right now. And I went ahead and sent the kick and 808 to that bus. So the kick and 808 are going to sound a lot louder. And actually, we need to make sure we send this to the right one, which is A. And then for all the drums, I set that to a second bus that has the bit crusher effect again, but a little bit different. So that's why this is all going to sound like this now. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did some basic arrangement, a little bit of mixing, mostly just some leveling and things like that. And we got a finished product now that I'm going to be showing you guys. But I want to say thank you for watching this one all the way to the end. So this is how you get the Nick Mira bounce and swag. It's really about using simple drums that are going to be open and allow the artist to be able to go crazy on them or do whatever they want without having to try to catch the beat or something, right? Because it's really easy to catch the beat with these simple smacking, knocking drums. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this one. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because we're uploading tutorials like this every single week that you're not going to want to miss out on. And besides that, guys, I'll be catching you again in the next one. Peace out.